Working on the SS. I'm gonna show you how to change out that throttle body. You just need you a 10 mil. Yeah, this is a 10 mil. I recommend one of these when it's time to get to the other boat on this side. Put that one right there. Yeah, when it's time to get to that boat right here, I recommend using this, and then I use my drill and a long extension for the rest. It's up to you though. But yeah, so take out those 410s. Then after that, you're gonna right there, you're gonna take your thumb, twist that up, and pull out. So what I did was, so I took my thumb, pulled that back. See how it's going when so I boom, as you twist it back, pull back at the same time, and then move this back a little bit. You know, those things are notorious for breaking if you're not paying attention. And then here she is. You know what I'm saying? That way you can really see how filthy that is. This is a 2007, so but you're just going to take your hand, pull this down. It's hard to do it with the camera, but take that. Yeah, so you're just gonna push that down and pull out at the same time. Hold on, let me show you. Like I said, you're gonna hold it down and push it out at the same time. And that releases it, as you see. So just reverse the steps. What you gotta do, clean it, replace it. But just reverse the steps. Take it, match it up with the hose. Put that tubing on over here. Boom. Put one nut in. That way it stays secure. And then after that, you're done. Oh yeah, and then plug this connector back in after you get your new one from AutoZone or Riley's or whatever. And I would just use this to put the bolts back in. That way you won't be. This drill is powerful, so if you cross thread it, that's it. So comment if you have any questions.